From high school, I was constantly asked if I was gay. I couldn't understand why. I was attracted to girls, played football and cricket, and gun saluted at every homophobic sound. However, I never questioned or challenged those statements. But now, after witnessing the constant hatred, intolerance, and oppression of the LGBTQ community in Jamaica, I decided that it was time to stand up and speak out. Now, if you call me gay, I'll feel honored. I've come out of the closet as an ally of the LGBTQ community in Jamaica. I am committed to standing up with my brothers and sisters to ensure that they enjoy the same rights and respect that I do. It is time for us to stop spending so much time concentrating on the differences and to embrace our common humanity. We are all Jamaicans.